The Walker Quarries project really is a prime example of Crossmuller's ability to provide an end-to-end engineering solution from design right through to commissioning and production. Hi, my name's Adam. I'm the project manager for Crossmuller on our Walker Quarries project. Essentially on this project, Walker Quarries was looking to increase their production of sand products and upgrading their sand wash plant. Crossmuller is working on the civil design and engineering, as well as the construction and mechanical electrical install of the project, right through to commissioning of the equipment. The benefit of Crossmuller is that we can handle all of that. Our teams all work together on a daily basis, so you've got civil engineering working in with construction, the electrical and the mechanical, they're all working in together to produce the end product and reach the end target. Whether it's third-party supplied equipment or if it's something that's designed and manufactured in our workshop at Summersby, Crossmuller really can provide an A to Z solution from construction right through to commissioning and production.